Alright, what is going on, guys? It's Isaac here. So today, this is part one of the video series on the project computer, also known as my old PowerMac G4. We're just rebuilding it into sort of a gaming PC, I guess, is what we're gonna make it. So yeah, that's pretty much how we're doing. So this is a whole thing of just a whole kind of little series that we're doing. I haven't really done much PC building. I'm pretty much a noob when it comes to building PCs and tearing apart PCs. But luckily, my friend Jack was able to help me, and you guys will see his Snapchat and Instagram links in the description and up in the corner there at some point in the video. But I have a bunch of footage yesterday from when we were actually tearing down the computer, yeah. So let's just go ahead and take a look at that. But before we get into that, I want to give a quick Instagram shout out to PizzaPeel1111 for voting on every single day on the daily car poll last week. Shout out to you. So yeah, and also one more thing. Alright, so you guys have to go over to teespring.com/techloverstream to pick up some of my merch. So right now we are actually doing a 75% off discount for the whole store. So that means you'll get 75% off your order if you use the promo code IsaacG. I'll leave it down here at the bottom of the screen so you guys can go over. More details will be in the description, but yeah. So go to teespring.com/techloverstream. There's that URL. And I'll show you some of the products we have. So we have the hoodie, the DUEven Tech Pro hoodie, in a bunch of different colors. Right here, as you can see. We also have the mugs, the Samsung cases, the iPhone cases, and the leggings. Yes, I do sell leggings. Yeah, and right now, I will also be doing a drawing. So once I decide that enough people have actually picked up the merch, make sure you guys, right now, if you use this promo code, I will select 10 random people that have taken advantage of this offer in probably a couple weeks, maybe a couple months. I'm just trying to amp it up because sales are really slow. We're just trying, but if you guys go over to the merch store and use the promo code, and then you have to let me know that you use the promo code and send me a screenshot of your order on Instagram. If you do that, then you will be entered in the drawing, and 10 people will be randomly selected to either appear as a guest on a YouTube video, and we can figure out what we'll do, or you can be in the photo shoot for the storefront page. But the catch is you have to be in the Pittsburgh area to be able to do this. If you're not in the Pittsburgh area, then you do not qualify for this. So what you need to do is you need to make sure you're subscribed, pick up one item from the merch store, use the promo code, and let me know on Instagram that you've used the promo code. I'll enter you in the drawing, and then once I am ready to do the drawing, which we have enough people that are in the drawing, I will pick 10 people randomly, and those people, I'll let them know on Instagram. You guys have to let me know on Instagram. Any other social media, you will not be counted. Yeah, let me know on Instagram, and then if you are selected, I'll let you know on Instagram. I'll just DM you, and then you can decide whichever one you want to do. If you want to be a guest, or if you want to or if you want to be in the photo shoot for the storefront page. Let me know. And you have to respond to make sure that you still want to do this. And if I don't hear back from you within 2 weeks of you being picked, then I will have to pick someone else in your place. So try not to do that. I really don't want to do that to you guys, but it can happen. So yeah, I need to shut up. Let's get on with this. Okay, so this is what we're working with right now. $5.
Camera.
Yeah. And I am like literally holding the tripod. It was like a portable tripod, but
I mean,
whatever.
are you filming?
Yeah.
Alright, hello camera. We're doing a bang up job on this computer. It's working pretty well so far. I'm missing a tip.
Oh crap.
I mean, I have it. I'm just looking for it.
Can we like pry the Apple logo open?
No, I don't think that's the solution. I think it's these.
What is it? Oh, those
more-
are like unlock.
Yeah, there's more screws.
Oh.
These crazy Apple screws.
Thanks, Apple. You done f***ed up.
Yep, thanks Apple. Thanks Obama.
Where did Obama come from?
Those didn't do anything.
Seriously?
Yeah.
Oh my god. Wait, is there some way to... Oh, these top ones maybe?
Yeah, but I think these... I have a feeling those are just for taking off the handles.
Oh, there's probably back end ones too.
I know. Yeah, these are the handles. So we actually don't even need to take those off. Although,
we done goofed again, but...
there might be something under these bottom handles.
That made a noise.
Here, you want a chunk of plastic?
Oh, great. Perfect present.
Exactly.
And now it's just lopsided.
Yeah.
And a lopsided PowerMac G4.
What?
What happened? Oh, did you lose the bit?
It just disappeared. Oh, it came off with the screw.
Oh. We found the bit. We have been. It was successful. Okay, whatever. I don't know what to say. People are probably going to dislike this video, but
No, just like the video, like the video. You know how much work it is? I spent like 5 whole minutes of my life on this.
Yeah, 5 minutes is a lot.
What is this?
What the?
I don't know what any of that stuff is. Oh, is this a lock? It's like, you may not turn it on.
You may go f yourself.
Pretty much.
Dusty.
Yeah.
Do you have like an air spray can or something?
I do. Not here though.
Yeah, well, I'm not going back.
Yeah. I don't think it's necessary. It's only if you have a computer that you want to clean out. This stuff we can just kind of get rid of.
Yeah. Just kind of like you take it out and you're done.
Yep. Yep. It's as I suspected. Got it. This was on the back of the Apple logo. It was just really jammed in there.
What the?
I didn't break it, it just came off.
Okay, well we are
Good to go now. Here's the back of the board. Here's all these screws that I still can't get out.
Oh crap. Are those like that? Maybe those like those ball joints are from like.
I know, we'll get there.
We have to like those are like the screws in the back.
I think at least some of these are bolts.
Yeah, that's probably what they are. And that happened.
Just straight up tape.
We taped this motherfucker. Who the f up? Wait, is that the battery cell maybe?
No. The battery's on the other side. Okay. Alright.
That made a noise.
This is...
You made a very delicious noise.
Oh, this is, so those ball joints,
Yeah.
this is what's on the back side of them.
There's no way up.
I don't know what those are. I don't know how to get them off. Here, I have a solution.
Ow. Ourselves.
I don't know, like, I don't know how to take them off. Do you just use a magnet?
Maybe. I mean, open it up and see what the hell happened.
No, nothing happened. All this did was extend.
We'll just try. Is there a way to, like, don't do that to my camera? Yeah, the heat sink's not gonna do shit.
Interesting. Alright, I'll work on everything else, I guess.
This thing's fun.
The magnet, yeah.
Yeah, they ain't doing crap.
Slightly bigger. pH2.
pH2.
Yeah.
My
pH2 good for you. Who had the amazing idea? See, I don't think this is meant to detach at this point. Like, there's no indication to me that those ball joints come out. If I had a Dremel, I could just cut out the motherboard around it.
Yeah.
That actually would not be a good idea, but
The Echo Dot is immune.
I mean, oh, is that?
Yeah.
It supports up to 1.5 gigabytes of RAM.
Oh. That's more than I thought, but not by much.
Three hex-shaped screws were the
It's like, are these screws like, is it too much or something?
No, I'm looking, 4 screws on the edge of the, It says just slide it out of the case. But I don't think it slides out of the case.
Yeah, with all the screws that we had to take out, that does not make sense whatsoever. Probably some article that
Here's a step that I'm missing. Slide it away from the rear of the case, 1/2 inch, and lift out. So slide it this way. Oh, you know what?
what?
Well, I need some kind of pry tool. I think it might be designed to slide out. I've just been overthinking it.
Oh, shit. Well, that's us.
So the rear of the case is that side. So by disconnecting cables, what else would be holding it in? No.
Probably the I/O
Well, the I/O is
stuff.
not a big deal because
Maybe
it should
some-
just come out. Is the thing.
What about this? We'll have to.
No, it's out. This is attached to the motherboard, but it's out.
The battery maybe? No, that wouldn't come out.
So I think we slide it this way.
Or the ball joints are probably holding it in.
Yeah, so we slide it this way, and the ball joints can come out.
Oh, they're probably stuck on to like the
Yeah.
things in it.
I just don't
Maybe
like-
they just have like a latch that you
I
just
don't have a good way to slide it out.
maybe they
I think they are just latches. You know?
Weird.
Wait, is that movement? No.
That made a noise.
Oh yeah. Okay, one of the joints is out.
Alright. Might be good. That other sound is good.
It should be coming out, but it's not. Pry from the center. Okay.
I'm gonna grab my MacBook. Well, we can consult the Google in a better way now.
Definitely got one sock out. I'm happy with that. I just want to get this board out with minimum damage.
Yeah, well, you notice how easy that'll be. Is there really like an easy way to damage motherboards?
Yes, it's called touching them with anything.
Oh, shit. Okay then.
This motherboard's probably already shorted, but I don't think we need it, so it's fine.
Yeah. Yeah, it's not like we're gonna use this one.
Yeah. I think my worst blunder was my NES.
Oh.
I was
Didn't you do that like recently? Or no?
Yeah, I did do it recently. I was trying to fix it, and I accidentally knocked off a capacitor with my hand because it was soldered on so lightly, and now it's bricked.
You just stick a USB cord into it, then all your problems are solved.
Sure.